Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to use the calculate function. Let's start. I've got this documentation open here with me, and it says the calculate function is actually a calculatable function and it performs the same functionality except it modifies on the basis of the filter context. So let's say you've got an expression, so it'll just filter it out based on the filter context. So what does that mean? I'll just show you quickly. So let's say I'll build a sales amount. And I've got this field called sales amount, so I'll just grab it and put it here and let it create something. And then what I do is calendar year. So we'll just break it by calendar year. So let me just maximize this or increase the size of this one. And you can see that it is showing us the data for different years. And so let's say for some reason I just want to create a separate field which gives me the sales amount for 2014. How do I do that? So I can go here and click new measure, and I can call it sales calculate, and then I'll just give them expression which is sales amount and I'll just close the bracket which is my expression, and I'll just say where calendar year is equal to 2014, and I'll close the bracket and hit enter. So let's do is quickly create a card and bring that in to see what it gives to me. So I'll create the card here, and let's just reduce the size of the card and just say sales amount, and this is our measure, so I'll just grab it and put it in here, and it is giving me roughly 625,000 something. So if I hover over this, which is the same amount as what we got directly from the sales amount field. So in this video, we've just learned how to use the calculate function, and it's a fairly complicated function, and there are multiple scenarios and how you filter it. And we could probably go and do a lot more analysis of that. I'll probably create a series for that. But for now, this is a brief overview of the calculate function. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.